Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel, Living with Lina. This morning, I'm waiting for the dumpster to arrive. And then they're gonna start demo in about half an hour. They should be here, or at least that's the time frame that I was told. I'm gonna show you guys a quick, like a quick little flip through, not flip through, but some quick little videos of what my house looks like now and kind of take you guys along with the progress. Here is the kitchen that we were working with. So this definitely should be bigger once renovations are finished. This room isn't going to be changing much, but the wood panels on the wall are going to be coming down and the carpet is going to be gone as well. And this is the living room. This is the dining room, and that's definitely going to be changing as well with a whole different layout. And then here's another room, and this is going to be a playroom once the whole project is finished. These are the stairs, and those should be looking nice and fabulous when they're done as well. Also, guys, just realized that today is February 2nd, 2022, which is 2/2/22. Wait, 2/22/22. That's 5 2s. That's like, the next time we're gonna see that is not for like another 200 years or so. I'm guessing in February 2nd, 2222. I won't be alive by then. But
2222.
that's what I said, 2222.
That sounds ridiculous.
Right? 200 years from now, we're not gonna be alive, but maybe my great grandkids will be. Yeah. Anyway, happy 2/22/22. Right now, I am sectioned off from my downstairs. It's like literally living in a bubble. Lots of work happening over there. Also, guys, Babe pointed out that today is Tuesday, the day of the week, on February, which is the second month, the 22nd, and 2022. So that's 5 2s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 2s. Wow. 2/22/22 and Tuesday. That's cray. That's kind of cool though. And today is the day that we're starting demo. I mean, it's definitely a day I'm not gonna forget now. So easy to remember. I don't know if you guys can hear all that stuff happening downstairs, but they literally went right to it. It's all demoed. Well, not all, it's not done yet, but they went right to it. I wish I could like bring a refrigerator upstairs. I don't have like a mini fridge or anything, so the refrigerator is still downstairs. Trying to get off of this floor. Everything's taped up, so I have to like untape it from the wall and everything and try to climb my way down, but it's painter's tape, so the more you keep untaping it, the less it sticks. And yeah. So I went down there a couple of times already, and I keep eating those pinwheels that I made yesterday. I made like turkey pinwheels. I didn't vlog yesterday, so you guys didn't see anything. It was just a whole day in the kitchen. I made a ton of stuff because I was trying to prepare food to have in the refrigerator whenever we get hungry, so that we don't have to order out and things like that. So I made a bunch of freezer meals and just like other kind of like lunches and dinners that we could have, and some snacks. And the turkey pinwheels, oh my god, so good. I keep snacking on those, but I should have just brought it up here. I would probably just end up finishing it. They're so good though, guys. Oh, so good. And what I had for breakfast this morning, I totally forgot about yogurt in my fridge because I'm not downstairs, and it's not very easily accessible, so totally forgot about the yogurt. I just had some oatmeal up here since we brought the microwave up here and everything. I did go downstairs to grab some oat milk in a cup, and then I brought it up here to make my oatmeal, but then I forgot about the yogurt. The yogurt is a whole other thing. Like, I would need to bring down a bowl, put some yogurt in the thing, or just bring my yogurt up because I don't have any utensils down there or anything. So like trying to scoop it into my bowl. I probably should have put it in bowls and prepared it that way so I could just like grab one. But I didn't do that, and I didn't really have any bowls to do that in because everything else is just like either in the freezer or wherever. It's a lot of like containers that are in my fridge right now, so I don't think I had enough anyway. But anyway, lots of demo work, as you guys have been seeing and hearing. I think they stopped banging right now though. They're bringing some stuff out to the dumpster. Wow, that dumpster is looking pretty full. Oh, there goes the carpet. They just threw the carpet in there. Dumpster's looking pretty full outside. You guys see it? It's looking very full in there. Got doors, carpet, walls, ceilings, all of the above. So I'm just here in my craft room. I'm making some traveler's notebooks. They're gonna be Easter themed, so here's like a sneak peek at one of them. I still need like the clear cover, and then I gotta do like the binding kind of piece with the elastic. And then I gotta add cut parts and just decorate a little bit, but that's what I'm working on right now. People always ask me where I get these little notebooks from that I used for these. I cover them up with paper. They're from Dollar Tree. They don't really have them anymore. They're not available online or anything. I hunted these down, guys, like crazy when I found out about them. This is maybe like 2 years ago now, or a year and a half ago. I don't even know when. But I hunted them down and literally bought every single one of these that I could find. They would come in a 3-pack for $1, which is a great, awesome price. Dollar Tree kind of like sells little ones now for like $1 each, so they're no longer in like a 3-pack. I think you might be able to get like a 2-pack, but still, this was a nice 3-pack for $1. So yeah, but that's where I got them from. They are 4x6 size, I believe. And I love them. So if you could get your hands on these, definitely get them, but they are extremely hard to find. So glad I prepared stuff yesterday for us to eat because I am hungry. It is only 11. This is usually my lunchtime during work, so I get hungry around this time. Babe is gonna have some of the turkey taco pasta I made yesterday. I'm having my turkey pinwheels, and I also brought up a hard-boiled egg and some water, just so we have like some kind of food right now because I am hungry. That better not be splattering all over my microwave because I don't feel like cleaning you. I want my hard-boiled egg, but I do not know where I packed my salt. Oh, I forgot we got brownies in here. Where's my salt? I don't know where I packed it. There's a lot of stuff. I know I packed some stuff for us to have now, but I don't know where I put the salt. I feel like it's down here somewhere. Oh, there it is. Found it. Oh, that's pepper. Salt for my egg. I was never like a hard-boiled egg person, but since I've been living here, we've always had hard-boiled eggs. Like every week, I'm just making more, and it's a great snack. These are the turkey pinwheels I was telling you guys about. So good. So I just have them on a slice of cucumber. This is turkey. There's cream cheese. And then I have some seasonings of dill weed, garlic powder, and onion powder. Guys, oh, and some shredded cheese in between. These are so good. I'm gonna have the lady's video that I watched while making these because you guys need to go make some, and she did add some chopped bacon inside. I ended up adding my chopped bacon into something else, into my meatballs I made yesterday, but these are literally so good, guys. Perfect snack to have. Though I did notice, like a day later, the cucumbers are getting soft already, so you definitely don't want to keep this more than a couple of days. Okay, I was just sitting here and I ate them all. I was just scrolling on Instagram and they're gone. How did that happen? No more. Gonna show you guys the downstairs. They just left for the day. They'll be back here again tomorrow morning to finish demoing the rest. It is raining outside. I'm getting Babe an umbrella. She's gonna go outside. Just like a little crawl space. Let me show you guys. Down to the bare bones. There used to be a doorway here. I don't know if you guys could see. So there used to be a doorway. We never had one. It was just all wall. But you could tell that there was a doorway there. And yeah. I can't wait for my kitchen, guys. It's gonna look great. Gonna have some chili and rice today that I made yesterday also. It was my first time making chili and it was a struggle, guys, but it's fine. because it's gonna taste delicious. I don't even have a kitchen, and I'm not even using like actual plates or utensils, and yet I still have a bunch of dishes to wash. How? How does that happen? Time to do some dishes. Dishes. I was gonna say bathroom. Time to do some dishes in the bathroom. So yeah, great setup here. Is this open?
This is what you wanted.
I'm not complaining.
You say, oh, yeah.
Well,
That's complaining.
no, I'm not complaining. I'm just showing them my new setup. It's not perfect, but it's gonna do its job. Right, guys? This is most certainly what I wanted. I'm not complaining about that. I know, it's cold down there. Alright. I had to wipe out most of this stuff here because, I don't know, I feel weird putting in like food down the drain up here. It feels weird putting food down the drain here when it's not a kitchen. So I wiped out most of it just with some napkins. And yeah, but look, I emptied some meal prep containers so I can make some stuff in the Instant Pot. All done. This is my new kitchen. I got my bestie over here vacuuming and mopping my house. I'm trying to keep control, like keep the dust under control. Like I don't want it to get too crazy, even though it wasn't, because again, we're sectioned off. So it's not too crazy. I do see like a little bit about like at the opening where we kept going in and out. There's a little bit of dust on the floor there, so I'm just having this thing mop and vacuum right now. And I love this. It's a Roborock S6 Pure. I'm gonna have it linked down below. But I love this thing so much. So it vacuums in the front, mops in the back. You could also take off the mop attachment. You could change the mop setting. So I have it so it doesn't release a lot of water because it's hardwood. When it mops downstairs in the future, then I'll have more water because those are going to be like waterproof vinyl kind of floors. But for the hardwood, I have it set to release kind of less water while mopping, and I love this thing. It's so great. I run this like every 2 days approximately. It's amazing. So right now it's just going back and forth, filling in all of these like little spaces, getting everywhere. Oh, I love it so much. I always find Babe like running it also. He wasn't, at first he was like, yeah, we don't need one of those like robot ones, it's expensive, but I got it anyway. And oftentimes I'll be getting home from work and the Roborock is on and he turns it on. It's hooked up with our Echo Dot. So Babe normally just tells the Echo Dot to vacuum and it starts vacuuming the house. So I love it. I'm gonna have, again, link down below. Ooh, see, it's even like, it knows that there's like stuff here. I mean, normally there was the stairs there, but it's like trying to not even go around the plastic, which is great, to not ruin anything. And I did close my door just because I have carpet in there, and I'm gonna have that vacuum afterwards and just do a vacuum instead of mopping in my door, in my room. I feel like it's a little lost trying to figure out the new layout for the time being, because normally this room was like empty, but now this is our temporary kitchen, so there's stuff everywhere, and it's gonna be learning a lot today. Figured I would just vacuum in here with my Dyson. So I'm doing the hardwood first, and then I'll switch to the carpet one. But yeah, because I don't want to have to wait for the Roborock to finish the rest of the house before it comes in here. Because I had, you know, closed the door here first, so then I'd have to do it all over again. I also love watching the dust count on here. That's the dust count, like any little particle count. So now I got the other attachment on here, and here we go. I think my robot went home. It did. But I need to clean out the dustbin and take off the mop. So let's take that out. And put this back. This little home station. So it always goes home here when it's done. I'm gonna take off the mop. I forgot how to remove this. Oh, there's buttons. Okay. So I got that. Here's how dirty the floors were. Lots of dust. And then here is the waste bin.
Dust bin removed.
And got some dust here also. Not as much as I thought, but that's good. I mean, we do vacuum quite often. So yeah, definitely less than I have seen, but I think the mopping also helped a bunch with all the dust today. So I rinse out the filter usually. I'm not gonna do it today. I normally do it when I know I'm not gonna be vacuuming for like another couple of days, but it needs 24 hours to dry and I know I'm gonna vacuum again tomorrow. So I'm not gonna rinse this out and wash it out. I just dumped it out and then it'll continue vacuuming tomorrow. This is dusty on top too. Could use a wiping down. And I'm probably just getting it on my floor, right? Well, here it is on the sides. I'll just throw that out. But yeah, I did wash the mop because that could mop again tomorrow. And we're gonna get this home.
Going back to the dock.
So it's just gonna go right back there. That's where it lives.
Charging.
So this week, since I'm off, and Babe took off too, because originally we were gonna go snowboarding. We didn't know we were gonna do this work yet. I mean, we knew we wanted to do the work, but we just didn't have final plans to do anything, and it just so happened that now it started during my break, and when Babe took off. So we're no longer going snowboarding because that would just be an extra expense, and this is already like a lot of money. So yeah, we're gonna save and not go snowboarding this year. But now that we're home, it's like we just want to eat. Like normally I have snacks at work and things like that, and you know, I prepare my meals and stuff, but now that I'm home, it's like we ate dinner today at like 4 o'clock instead of like 6:30 when I would be normally home. So now we're like just like hungry and we want snacks. So Babe just went to the store. We're gonna get some baby carrots, some peppers, some ranch dressing. I'll make little snack containers, and I have like snack containers because obviously I do snacks for work all the time. So I have snack containers, and we're just gonna keep them in the fridge. So that will be, you know, something easily accessible. Like I like things in containers so I could just go into the fridge, grab one and eat it if I'm working up here, crafting, whatever. So it'll just be good to have in the fridge. Okay guys, it's getting late. I'm gonna get to meal prepping some snack containers. I'll probably show you guys like a little clip, but other than that, I'm gonna call it a night, or like ending vlog night. I'm gonna go shower and do all the things. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching another day of Living with Lina. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and had fun seeing all the demo progress. And I will see you guys in my next vlog video. Talk to you soon. Bye.